Missouri wild trout are infamous for their speckled beauty, not so much for their size. But when conditions are right, the big fish come out to play. And let me tell you what, folks, these dogs stay digging.
Holy cow, the dims on this thing are insane. For a wild Missouri fish, that is crazy.
Now, I would say that usually around this time of year, there's a sense of dread in my tired eyes as the dashboard light reflects, but we have been met with some unseasonably warm weather. So the promise of t-shirt weather got us to the parking lot in no time flat. Folks, this is yet another Missouri trip. Let's freaking go.
Well, there we go. A quick 1-2 out of the fast stuff, and our skunk is off. Last trip, I headed downstream, so I think this time we're gonna switch it up. We're gonna go upstream. I've been up that way in a long time, so yeah, fingers crossed we can find just as much luck as we did downstream. So yeah, let's go. This entire run behind me looks so juicy, but something to kind of keep in mind here is that the rainbow trout are spawning right now, at least here in Missouri. Temps are right, weather's right, I don't know what it is, but they are on the reds, and I can see two pretty active reds towards the tail end of this pool, so I'm just gonna skip that entirely, leave those guys alone, and really punch the top, and yeah, hopefully we can get on some non-spawning fish. Fish. That's a great fish. Yeah, dude, let's go. That's a great piney bow. Wow. Look at you, sir. Well, you might have got a little look at him before he flopped and swam off. That was a quality fish. I would say easily top tier for the piney. But what I gotta say about the morning is that it has been so slow. We've been kind of going back and forth between our dry fly and our dry drop, and it's just not working. So what I did on my 5-weight, I took off the dry setup because they kind of stopped eating on the surface there. Took it off and I put on a New Zealand strike indicator with a collared copper john. And for those of you out there, I just did a tying video on that very fly. So go check it out. I'll link it down in the description. But yeah, on this warm overcast day, I'm hoping we can get into a few more just like that. So let's get all situated and yeah, back in there. Yeah, dude. That's what I'm talking about, man. That's a nice fish. Damn. Damn. Oh, man, did he get that or what? I guess she, man. Goddamn. That's cash right there, baby. I'll take that back from you, sir. Thank you. All right, time to get this absolute dime piece back in the drink. Oh, like it's nothing. See ya. Dude, let's go. That is like, that makes the day right there. Like, that puts the cherry on top and it's barely even noon. That is so money. Holy cow. Kind of in shock right now. That was an incredible fish. Did you see it jump too? The camera was a little bit far away, but it was whoop-a-bam once, and then whoop-a-bam another time. It was on Shamu level like 100. That was fantastic. Oh, dude. All right, let's take a look at what we got this guy on real quick. That is the nymph that we got him on. Pretty gangly little bug there. I don't know what you'd call it. It's got rubber legs. Kind of looks like a rainbow warrior. I'm not quite sure. It's just big and buggy and flashy. It's a nice flash green on it. And yeah, I did the trick under the New Zealand strike indicator, of course. Damn, it's really starting to come down here. It feels more like spring than freaking fall. Oh, almost winter. All right, let's get you guys back, maybe covered up, and yeah, maybe go back in there. I need a freaking jacket too, dang. I'm not quite sure how well y'all can see me, but as soon as that rain's turned on, I mean, that's the second fish out of that hole. That's pretty sweet. Get a look at the guy there. We'll send him back. See you, sir. Bye. That's another big fish. Wow, this is a monster. Oh my God. Yes, dude, let's go. Dang, it's a big fish. Well, as you can see and maybe hear, we are at the bridge. This might have been my last hole for the day, and this might be the biggest fish I've ever caught at the Piney. This thing is a certified bruiser. Oh my gosh. I'll try to get you a look at him. He's beautiful. For a wild Missouri fish, that is crazy. Holy cow, the dims on this thing are insane. Okay, I think this blushing beauty is ready to go back. What a phenomenal fish, right at the bridge. All right, guy. You gonna be good? Oh, you're gonna be great. Like it's nothing. Like it's nothing. That is phenomenal. Oh my gosh. What a quality day. It's been all about quality, not so much quantity. So, man, that's 3 really, really nice fish. I'm having a tough time processing that. That is like a big ass fish for the piney. You folks outside of Missouri, you might not know. You folks in Missouri, I know I can trust on you. That was a big fish. That was fantastic. Wow. Well, howdy there. If you were seeing this, that means you have made it to the end of the video, and all I gotta say is thank you as always. And followed quickly by, I am so sorry. I am right by the highway where it goes over the river, and it's loud. I don't know what to tell you. But what I can tell you is that we've got all sorts of fly season content if you're really digging this channel and what we got going on. So, of course, we've got the Instagram, the Discord, and the Patreon. Those are kind of separate things, but still really fun, kind of the fishy pics and yeah, the community side of things. But also, and this is pretty new, I would say, we have the website. Brand new, spickety span, typety type on those keys, flyallseason.com, and you'll see my ugly mug pop up. And there is a great way to kind of get a better understanding of my adventures. I try and chronicle my various explorations of the country, as well as other cool things like, yeah, the community page. So go check it out, it's awesome. And yeah, folks, wherever you're finding yourself, be it at some overpass in the Ozark Mountains or in your backyard, I sure hope you're keeping those feet in the water. And until next time, tight lines, bow.